Ceceni-inĩ ya borithi ya Thika, bamĩrĩ ya Elizabeth Ngina Mulwa nĩkuo ĩgomanĩte thutha wa kuona mwĩrĩ wa mwana wao ũrĩa ũrarĩ mũrutwo thukuru-inĩ ũmwe Thika ũragĩtwo na njĩra ya ũnyamũ gũkũ ciĩga imwe cikĩaga.
Mwili hauna kichwa, kichwa imekatiwa hapa chini ya shingo, imetolewa yote na vidole, kila mkono vidole tatu, hakuna kidole kubwa na hizi mbili za mwisho haziko. Wazazi wake waliweza kutambua mwili, alafu maafisa wa CID wale walichukua mwili wakatuambia, juu sisi tulionyeshwa mwili hapa mbele, hatu kuonyeshwa nyuma, tukaambiwa huko nyuma waliona visu zaidi ya 32.
Tata wao ana Bahati akiuga Ngina ararĩ mũirĩtu mwendia andũ na ũrarĩ na kĩoneki kĩnene.
She's quite a bubbly girl, and I think the only thing we can say is what happened was beyond human thinking. I mean, how does someone just cut off a head of someone? We don't know where her head is. We only wish we could get it and get justice for her. She was almost done with her school, and we were really looking forward to what the future could offer her.
Liz, honestly, alikuwa smiling, friendly. For me, tulikuwa tu tunaongea kama sis. Hakuwa na eti anakosana na watu. Alikuwa anaongelesha kila mtu kwa class, Malek. Tulikuwa tu jovious. All that.
Airĩtu arĩa marĩ thukuru makĩũrio kũhingũkaga ngoro ona marĩ na mathĩna.
I wish our girls could open up to us more as mothers, and they can just let us in, really to know who they're dealing with, who their friends are. If it's a boyfriend, I mean, we don't encourage boyfriends at that age, but you're requesting if they could just open up.
Mũndũrũme ũmwe ũrĩa ũrarĩ mwendwa wa Ngina nĩ aikĩtio ngono gũkũ ũthuthuria ũgĩthiĩ na mbere.
Tungetaka polisi ichunguze hayo maneno na haki itendeke, sababu tunataka kujua ni nani aliua mtoto wetu na ni kwa sababu gani. Juu alikuwa mtoto akiwa nyumbani, kwanza alikuwa mwalimu wa Sunday school.
Kĩgirĩko gĩa bamĩrĩ ĩno nĩ atĩ mũtwe wa Elizabeth Ngina ndũrĩ ũroneka, rĩu makĩenda borithi kũhĩkahĩka ũthuthuria na oho kĩhoto gĩthingatwo. Ĩno nĩ ceceni ya Inooro TV Thika, na niĩ njĩtagwo Moses Ngige.